Yeah.
Look, I'm sweeping.
I see that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Lucas, don't sweep his ball away. He's trying to get it.
I'm trying.
Ball! That is a ball.
I'm only trying to stop them from getting goals.
Well, he's playing basketball, not soccer.
But I'm on defense. I'm on defense.
Oh, okay. Yay! Yay! Lucas, don't do that. He doesn't understand. Let him shoot. Let him shoot.